Welcome students. You are watching a picture. There is a hare sleeping in the picture and a tortoise walking. You must have understood the meaning of this picture. Today we are going to read a story. The story is The Hare and the Tortoise. There was a hare. Hare was very speedy. But there was a bad habit. He always boasted about his speed. Hearing his speed, one day the tortoise challenged him. The tortoise told, "If you think you can run very speedily, then you should have a race with me." The hare accepted the challenge. He was very glad, very happy that today he will show his speed. Actually, this was a challenge. So animals in the forest gathered there. Animals gathered to watch the race. The race was going to be between the hare and the tortoise. The race started. The hare was really very speedy. After some time, the hare ran down the road for a while. He wanted to take a rest. He looked back. The tortoise was seen nowhere. He told, "How can you hope? How do you hope you will win the match? You walk so slowly." When this idea came in the mind of the hare, that time hare thought that I should sleep for some time, and the hare fell asleep. There was a thing in his mind that he has much time. When the hare will come here, that time he will again run and reach the destination. On the other hand, the tortoise did not stop. It walked and walked. It did not stop, and at last the tortoise reached its destination. Animals were watching the race. The tortoise was the winner, so all the animals cheered very loudly. Hearing this loud voice, the hare woke up. The hare stretched his body. He yawned, and after that he began to run. When he started running, it was too much late. The tortoise has already reached the destination. So it is said, slow and steady wins the race. Dear students, this is a very popular story. Popular proverb, slow and steady wins the race. If you want to do something in your life, if you want to win in your life, if you want to achieve your goal in your life, that time you must be slow but steady. It is not necessary that you should be fast for some certain time. But if you are slow and steady, it is sure that you will win the race. You will be the winner. Thank you. Have a nice day.